Zakat is derived from the Arabic word zakah, which means to purify, which means to increase. It also means blessings and goodness. So zakah means purification or cleanliness, increase. It means goodness. It means blessings. In Islamic Sharia, zakah is an obligatory charity which every Muslim who has a saving or a surplus wealth which has reached the nisab level or above that and stays with him for one complete lunar year or one hijri year, he should give zakat on that surplus wealth, which is most of the time 2.5%. This is the Sharia Islamic meaning of it.
It means to get increase and to flourish. Something to grow. He said, وَيُقَالُ الطَّهَارَ. And it's also said it means to purify. So zakah is a specific kind of money, goes to a specific kind of people at a specific time.
Zakat is mandatory on 4 things: gold, silver, and whatever falls under this category, such as cash. Cattle, such as cows, camels, sheep, goats. If they are grazing and you're not feeding it with your own money, it's grazing in Allah's lands. Thirdly, what comes out from earth, grains, grapes, dates. Fourthly, whatever is made to deal in commerce, selling and buying.
Take advantage of your wealth before you become poor. How many people do we know who were wealthy and they never used their wealth in the way of Allah? The Prophet ﷺ, he told us that the believer's shade on the day of resurrection will be his charity. Imagine that day when the currency on Yawm al-Qiyamah is not pounds, it's not riyals, it's not dollars. The currency on Yawm al-Qiyamah is good deeds. So rack up those good deeds in this life so that on Yawm al-Qiyamah you are rich bi-idhnillahi ta'ala. Because your wealth, it can leave you overnight.